Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this third brake light assembly in this 2008 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver, take these two Phillips head screws out. This one as well. So you pull those screws out. You can pull them out completely. Grab the taillight assembly and just slide it back. You're going to disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the button. Slide that connector off. We're going to reinstall this assembly. You want to make sure that if this clip slides down like this one did, that we reinsert it into this position right there. Make sure this one's good too. Connect this connector right here. Plug it in like that. I'm just going to take a rag and wipe this. You could use a little bit of soapy water or some glass cleaner to clean this up a little bit. Because if you don't clean this up, when you reinstall this, you're probably going to end up with a water leak. So, because there's a seal on here. That looks pretty good. Slide this into position. Take our screws. Get that one started. Get this one started as well. Take my Phillips head screwdriver. Just snug it down, not too tight. The lens assembly is plastic, so you don't want to crack it. And you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.